Want naturally glowing skin without expensive products? Just follow these 5 simple daily routines. They work from inside your body to make your skin clear, healthy, and radiant. First, morning antioxidant boost. Start your day with warm water, lemon, and a pinch of turmeric. This hydrates your body, activates digestion, and loads your system with antioxidants. Through the day, add green tea, fruits, and a few nuts. They protect your skin cells from damage and prevent dullness. Small tip: sip your green tea slowly for better absorption. Second, collagen support. Your skin's firmness depends on collagen. Include protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, or lentils, and combine them with vitamin C foods like amla, orange, or guava. This helps your body produce collagen better, improving elasticity and tightness. Simple trick: always combine protein and vitamin C in the same meal. Third, gut-skin alignment. Healthy gut equals glowing skin. Include curd, fermented foods, fruits, vegetables, and fiber daily. This balances your gut bacteria, reduces inflammation, and improves nutrient absorption. And don't forget, drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day. Fourth, hormone reset. Your skin repairs while you sleep, so get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Add deep breathing or light yoga to reduce stress, and avoid screens before bed. Better sleep means better skin repair. Fifth, skin circulation and protection. Do at least 20 minutes of movement daily, walking, yoga, anything. It improves blood flow and nourishes your skin. Massage your face gently for a few minutes, and always use sunscreen, even indoors near windows. If you stayed till the end, here's the secret for you. Secret: glow breath. Spend just 5 minutes doing a fast, rhythmic breathing practice. It increases oxygen, boosts circulation, and enhances skin repair. This is Kapalabhati. Do it daily, and you'll notice a natural glow in your skin. Follow this routine consistently, and your skin will glow from within. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, natural health tips.